and the companionship of good books. Respected academic advisor ma'am, principal ma'am, all worthy teachers and my dear friends. I am now from class 3rd C along with the student of my class wishing you all a very cheerful morning. Every sunrise is a new opportunity. We should not miss it. We should enjoy the sun. Prayer purify our mind and soul. So start your day with positive attitude and always smile to the world. Let's start our day with prayer of supreme authority. So join your hands, close your eyes for prayer. Positive thought can change our life. Let's hear the thoughts of the day from Ujasvi and Chirayu.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Advisor Ma'am, teachers and my all dear friends, I, Ujasvi Chauhan of Class 3rd C, is going to present a thought on books. Books give us all to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination and life to everything. Thank you and have a nice day.
सुप्रभात। मैं चिरायु कक्षा 3री का छात्र आपके समक्ष एक सुविचार प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूँ। जब भी आप कोई अच्छी किताब पढ़ते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं दुनिया में आपके लिए एक नया रोशनी का दरवाजा खुलता है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Ojasvi and Chirayu. News makes us understand what is happening around the world. So to enlighten us with current happenings, I would like to invite Sanvi with news headlines.
I'm here to update you all today headlines. Former Vice President Joe Biden moved closer to becoming the next White House occupant. At least 12 labels scared in Ahmedabad Godan explosion. Uddhav Thackeray and BJP are in a tug of war over ownership of a piece of land where a metro car shed has been planned.
Thanks, Sanvi, for updating our knowledge. The topic of our assembly is books are our best friends. Now, here is Tanishri going to recite a beautiful poem on the topic books are our best friends.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Advisor Ma'am, teachers and my all dear friends. I, Tanishri of Class 3rd C, is going to present a poem on books. Open a book and you will find people and places of every kind. Open a book and you can be anything that you want to be. Open a book and you can share wonderful words you find in there. Open a book and I will too. You read to me and I will read to you. Books are good friends full of knowledge and information. Thank you.
Thank you, Danish, for such a wonderful poem. Now, I would like to invite Himani of our class to share her views on the importance of books in our life and how books are our best friends.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Imani. I study in class 3rd C. Today, I will speak about the topic importance of book. Firstly, what is a book? Book means big ocean of knowledge. Books improve our knowledge on a variety of subjects. Books make us wiser. Books also keep us entertained. They kill our boredom. Books help us to recognize our areas of interest. Most importantly, books improve our vocabulary. We learn new words from it. In short, books give us a deeper understanding of things. Thus, we see how books have so many benefits. We should encourage everyone to read more books. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Himani, for enlightening us. Now, Charvi is going to recite a poem on this topic.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends, today I, Charvi of Class 3rd C, will recite a poem on the topic Books are our best friends. Books are our best friends. They are never out of print. Books are the gateway to knowledge. This fact everyone should acknowledge. Books are windows of joy, which we always enjoy. Books are here, books are there. They are found everywhere. Books take us to dreamland, where we meet fairies with a wand. Books are full of emotions. Some are like healing lotions. Books make us happy and sad. They're always motivating, never bad. Make books your best friends. They will always be in trend. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Charvi, for such a beautiful poem. एक किताब जितना वफादार दोस्त कोई नहीं है। इन्हीं विचारों को दृष्टि एक कविता के रूप में प्रस्तुत करने जा रही है।
नमस्कार, मैं दृष्टि कक्षा 3री की छात्रा आज आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है किताबें हमारी दोस्त है। कुछ होती हैं हल्की, कुछ होती हैं भारी, लेकिन इसमें होती है दुनिया की हर जानकारी। अक्सर कुछ नया करने का इनसे ही बनते ख्वाब है। जिंदगी का सबसे अच्छा दोस्त कोई और नहीं, किताब है। ज्ञान के ये खान है, होती बहुत महान है। जीवन ये इंसान को बदले तभी तो इसकी शान है। क्या बीता क्या होता है, सबका इसमें हिसाब है। जिंदगी का सबसे अच्छा दोस्त कोई और नहीं, किताब है। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद दृष्टि इस सुंदर कविता के लिए। At last, I would like to conclude that books are lifelong friends. Books are the gates through which we enter the vast world of knowledge. Thank you and have a cheerful day ahead.